Clear the bar, understanding the phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring the phrase, clear the bar. It's a versatile phrase with roots in sports that has found its way into everyday language. Let's jump in and clear the bar of language learning together. The phrase, clear the bar, originates from high jump and pole vaulting in athletics. When athletes jump and pass over the bar without knocking it down, they are said to have cleared the bar. It represents a successful attempt at reaching a set height. This visual can help you remember the phrase as we explore its figurative uses. In a figurative sense, clear the bar means to meet or surpass a standard or expectation. It's often used in situations where there is a minimum requirement that needs to be met. For example, if someone says, "The new policy barely clears the bar for environmental standards," it means the policy meets the minimum requirements but does not exceed them. You can use clear the bar in various contexts, such as education, work, or personal goals. If a student passes an exam with the minimum required score, they have cleared the bar. In the workplace, completing a project to the basic acceptable standard is also clearing the bar. Let's see it in action. The applicant cleared the bar with his qualifications, but we are looking for someone with more experience. Her performance in the last game didn't just clear the bar, it set a new standard for all players. The phrase also pops up in popular culture and is used in news, movies, and literature. It's a metaphor that's widely recognized and understood, making it a useful addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, clear the bar, confidently. Remember, language learning is like high jumping. Every day, you're trying to clear new bars. Keep practicing, and you'll find those bars getting higher and easier to clear. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.